Definitely another tutorial. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about the Anastasia Beverly Hills Summer Collection. This is their shimmer body oil in this beautiful champagne gold packaging. Much like the packaging, the body oil is gorgeous on the inside. Let's take it out and take a closer look. Okay, so here it is. It comes in a beautiful glass packaging. You've got the beautiful label on the front, very simplistic, very to the point. I love the glitter on the inside of the oil. I believe the oil is also a dry oil, which means that it's not super slippery and it'll settle into your skin really nicely when you put it on. The packaging also comes with a spray nozzle, which I love because as you can see, it sprays the product super evenly onto your skin. So let's just see how this looks real quick because I know y'all want to know. I put 3 sprays on my arms, being excessive because you get a lot of product, and this is how it looks. Absolutely gorgeous, super reflective, and it does last throughout the day. I've had mine on since 6. Let's talk about the pigments. Ooh yeah, the pigments, y'all. Look at this packaging. I love Anastasia Beverly Hills packaging because it's so decor friendly. Anyway, here are the 5 pigments. They are absolutely gorgeous. They're shimmer pigments and they're super duper reflective. So the first pigment that we're going to be looking at is Desert. This one is a really beautiful copper shade. So gorgeous. And as you can see from the swatch, they're really smooth and silky, almost buttery-like, and very reflective. So the next pigment we're looking at is called Sand, and I love this one. This is almost a pink champagne color, and they're all the same formula from what I can tell. None of them are actually different, like none of them are matte or super metallic. This one is daiquiri. This one is more of a lavender one with a rose gold undertone to it. So pretty, and I can't wait to use this one too. And this is how it looks. Sorry, my swatching skills are not the best. This is called Crystal, and this is a really pale, almost creamy color. This is a great shade for like your inner corner or just to brighten up another pigment. And then this one is called Icy for obvious reasons. This is almost a silver metallic shade. And yes, this one is just as bright as the rest of them. They're absolutely gorgeous, to tell you the truth. And they're finely milled, which means that they will reflect tons of light. They're super easy to apply, and they blend like a dream. A dream. Moving on to the mini matte lipsticks, the first one I'm going to show you guys is called Coconut. It's a really beautiful neutral mauve shade, gorgeous for an everyday look. The next one is called Guava. This is a matte lipstick, one of 2 that has a shimmery metallic undertone to it. This one is called Orange Blossom. It's so cute and even cuter in person. And the last one is called Leash. These are really cute and great for anyone who wants to try something without having to commit. The packaging is adorable and purse friendly. Now that you've seen the full collection, I'm going to tell you guys my thoughts, if I didn't already put them in the clips earlier. Let me start with the lipsticks. The lipsticks, I've only worn 2 of them. I wore this one this morning. This one is called Guava, and then I put on Orange Blossom together. Those are my favorite 2 shades from the mini matte lipstick collection for this summer. I think that it's great that they came in miniature sizes. I don't know if they're going to make them bigger, but I like them in smaller sizes because it kind of gives you an opportunity to see if you really like it. And then if that reflects, in the sales for the company, obviously they might add it to their permanent collection. But you don't really have to commit to a large lipstick, and then you're getting 4 of them. But if I had to pick one, I would definitely, I would definitely go for Guava. 2 of these matte lipsticks have some really pretty metallic shimmers in them. Even though they are matte, they look really shiny when you put them on your lips. As far as the body oil goes, I think the body oil is really nice. And I know the one one question that everybody's gonna want to know: is it better than the Fenty Beauty Body Lava? I think that it's a matter of preference, to be quite honest with you, because the Body Lava is actually like almost like a gel formula, it feels like, and it does set on the skin. The oil is a little bit more lightweight, and the sparkles, I would say, are a lot more obvious than the Body Lava is. So if you like to glow and you like glitter, I would definitely go for the body oil because, like I said, it's lightweight, has a really pretty vanilla scent to it. The sparkles are popping, and it comes in a spray, which is a lot easier to apply. I think that the glitter does settle into the skin pretty well, mostly because the oil isn't slippery. It's almost like a dry oil, I believe, if I'm not mistaken. So it'll settle onto the skin, but it's not greasy, it's not super slippery, and it's not uncomfortable. It's actually really lightweight. I've had mine on since like probably 8 this morning. I've had this on. And it's cute. If you're like me, you don't like getting your hands messy, I do suggest using a kabuki brush to massage the oil in. Finally, the pigments. Okay, let me open this box. So the pigments. First of all, they're huge. They're big. I don't know if you've seen their actual glitters, but the glitters are like puny compared to these. Let me go get a glitter. So compared to their glitters, this is the pigment and this is the glitter. They're small. Like, the glitter's small compared to the pigment. The pigments are super duper fine, so when they go on my eyelid, they blend out really easily, and they're super reflective because they're so fine. On top of that, when I put it on top of a wet eyeshadow primer, there was no creasing, there was no flaking, there was no collectiveness of the product. Like a lot of pigments that I've used in the past, when I put them on my eye on a wet primer or dry, the pigment will come together and form clumps. And I'm pretty sure, like, if you apply less and build it up, it's okay. But when you're going in with your pigment and you're trying to get that eyeshadow look done and you're trying to be cute, you don't got time to be, you know, tiptoeing around your pigment. So I'm really proud of ABH for producing these pigments. I don't know if they had pigments in the past, but I really do like these. I've actually got, what is the name of this one? Desert. This one is called Desert. It's on my eyes right now. Gorgeous. So this collection comes out on May 21st online and on May 28th in retail stores. So if you want to go ahead and get yours, go visit the Anastasia Beverly Hills website. If I had to recommend anything out of this collection overall, if you are more into skincare and looking really healthy, you know, body glow, get yourself the body shimmer, okay? If you love doing your eyeshadow, get the pigments. If you're into lipstick and mascara and you don't do more than that, get yourself the lipsticks. That's my recommendation. If I had to pick one, it would be in between the shimmer body oil and the pigments, and it would be really, really hard to pick one. Thank you so much for watching my unboxing and demonstration of the summer collection by Anastasia Beverly Hills. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Share this with your homies, you know, Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, Pinterest. I know the little tabs that's down there when you hit share. Hit share. Go ahead. You already know. And don't forget to subscribe because it's free 99 and you already know that you're going to want to come back and watch some little some later on, you know. Oh, and this is going to be on Instagram too. So like this video. I will see you guys next time. Peace.